All right, so we need to pack before we head out. So I'll be using my Saint Laurent Riverwalk tote. I have my Smarter organizer in here, so I just have 4 pockets, and I just picked up a few things. So I'm gonna bring my clutch for going out to dinner, and the best part about the Smarter organizer is that the clutch fits in perfectly in here. There's also a water bottle compartment, and I don't know where I put my water bottle, but we'll just leave that empty for now. I have my makeup bag with ibuprofen, my blood pressure medication, and then I just have some cosmetics in here, purse spray, and so on. I think I'm just gonna put my deodorant in here. No, I think I might just leave this out. I'll just put this on the side. So all that fits in here. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed, so you might not get the full shot. So we're gonna throw that in there. We have my straightener. I'm gonna throw that in there. We have my keys. That's just gonna go in my purse. I'm gonna bring this Apple wallet. So you can only fit so much into the clutch, and I'll probably just put my ID and my credit card in here when we go to dinner, and that way I can easily put it on the back of my phone or just slip it in here. My Chanel wallet's a little too thick, and while it'll work, I don't want to risk it popping out, especially in a different city. So I'm just going to tuck this in with the pouch. And I'm packing pretty light, so I just have a casual dress for tomorrow to go shopping in. I have my nightgown and robe. I just hung it up for the purpose of this video. And then the dress that I'm going to wear tonight for dinner. And then I also have my heels for dinner. All right, and then my bag is officially packed. Start when you first walk in, you get a little living room area with a couch, and then you have a little desk area, television, a little nook, and then you have your first window with the Riverwalk view, and then you walk over. We have a little coffee bar and get ready area, and then you have a double door that goes into the bathroom. Nice big tub, mirror, toilet. And then when you walk over, we have the bedroom. And so you have a closet on the side. We were really excited because we never stayed at a hotel where you actually get ribs in the closet, or at least I haven't. We have a television, and then we have a king-size bed, full-length mirror, and then again we have the Riverwalk view, which we'll be going down to shortly. So that is the hotel room. And so now we are just gonna put our stuff up and head out. Okay, y'all, so we are back home, and before I end this video, I just wanted to share what I got at the outlet. I was debating whether or not to just do this in a different video, but I'm just gonna put it all in one. So we ended up going to the San Marcos Outlet Mall on the way back. As you all know, I love shopping there, and I grabbed a few things. So I've been really wanting like a white vest. I got a black one at Ralph Lauren this weekend, and I went shopping with my mom, and then I found the white one in my size in San Marcos, and so I got this white vest, which I absolutely love, a cream long sleeve top, again in my size. They didn't have it at the last one. And then I was looking at Tory Burch and I saw a bag that I liked, but I don't know, I just didn't think it was decently priced, and we just continued to look around. And then we went to Kate Spade because I purchased this bracelet with my mom, and it's an adorable, excuse the ring from coffee, but penguin bracelet. And I love anything snow related. I love, which is the inspiration from all of what you see here. But I got this bracelet, and so I wanted to get a matching necklace, but they had matching studs, which I absolutely love. So I picked those up. And then the first thing that you saw on the display was this adorable penguin and polar bear set, and I had to get it. I think they were 50 or 70% off, and then I got a student discount as well. So I grabbed this bag, and I think it's so cute. If you've been following for a while, you know I have the Archie comic tote that they came out with last summer, and so this is the exact same style. It's reversible. It fits my 16-inch MacBook Pro. So this is gonna probably be my bag, or my work bag for this year, for this month, maybe even January. The best part about, I think, this collection is that it's just winter related. It's not Christmas, so I could really use this in January as well. But you have a lot of room in here. Again, if it's a 16-inch MacBook Pro, which it's really hard to find a tote that does that. It comes with this little clutch that has an adorable polar bear on here. They also have the matching cosmetic pouch, and it was too cute. And I think it was like $30 after everything, probably less than that because I'm not even including the student discount. So I had to pick that up. And y'all, I'm so in love with it. I think it's so cute. And as y'all can see, I already moved into it because I'm really excited to use it. I mean, that is everything that I got. And then for my mom, when we went shopping, she picked up the purse in this design, the small wallet, and they had a few gift sets at Coach. And she wanted us to pick up the large wallet and then the pouch. So we got those for her, and just want to show y'all just in case y'all are interested in the designs. But I thought this was such an adorable design. I was honestly debating whether or not to get one, but they didn't have the style of bag I liked. But I'm also glad I waited because I love the Kate Spade one so much more because I absolutely love the penguins. So yeah, but yeah, other than that, that was our San Antonio trip, and that is everything that I got at the outlet. And that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.